Hello, I'm Amy Bumpus, a member of the Bennett and Bumpus Group at Coldwell Banker. We help our clients buy and sell homes in Central Ohio. Today we'd like to talk to you a little bit more about how we're doing things to keep you moving during the times of COVID-19. We're striving to keep you moving while keeping you safe. And we know that home is really important right now when you're spending a lot more time at home so that you can stay safe. We're working from home, we're eating at home more, and so it's more important than ever that you're in a home that you feel great and you can enjoy day-to-day life. So we always have helped our clients prepare their homes for listing, and let's review some of the things that we do and you should do in order to have the best sale possible. For more information on how we're keeping you safe, please go to our website and check out our COVID-19 page. There you'll find all the new procedures and options we have for keeping you moving while keeping you safe. And there are also a few other links that can help you with information on what's going on with the COVID crisis overall. One thing hasn't changed in our practice, and that is helping you prepare your home for the best sale possible. Because the best prepared homes still sell the best. And that means going through your home, coming up with updates and repair items that we can take care of before you ever list. So for every seller, we still provide a professional staging consultation where we go through your home with you and our professional stager, and we determine what projects that you can do before we list your home and show it to buyers that will help increase the value of your home. We also recommend that you do a quick inspection or a pre-listing inspection that can help us find any trouble spots that could delay your closing with a buyer, if not completely stop your closing with your buyer. So what we like to do is have an inspector go through. We determine the items that should be taken care of before we ever list your home. This does several things. It helps increase consumer confidence in your home, because when a buyer has a home inspection and they don't find that much wrong, then they feel like they've made a great buying decision and they're even more eager to close on your home. So it's really important to take care of all the little things that you can before we list your home. That gets you the quickest sale because we don't have any delays with trying to line up contractors and get repairs done before closing. We can also manage the cost of those repairs better because we're doing them on our own timeline and able to hire the contractors that we want without a buyer included in that process. And then we also can help connect you with contractors to help make any updates that you need. Maybe we need to look at taking at least a few rooms and painting them so that they're on trend. If you have damaged carpets or countertops, maybe we need to replace or update those in order to have the best sale possible. For any projects that you have, we'll help connect you with a great resource to make sure your home is listing ready and we can have the best sale possible. We would love to help you sell your home. We're available anytime for free consultations, so we can go over all of the details and all that we do in order for you to have a smooth sale. Remember, the best homes sell the best. So spending some time up front, preparing your home, working with us to get it to the place that buyers will love it is always going to be a great return on your investment. You'll maximize your selling price, you'll have a quicker sale, and you'll have fewer delays to get to the closing if we prepare up front. So we love to help you do this, and we'd love to help you sell your home. Please call us anytime. We look forward to meeting you soon.